Understanding, at home with, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, at home with. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can add depth to your language skills. Let's dive in and discover its various meanings and uses. At home with can be taken literally. It means being physically present in one's house or residence. For example, I am at home with my family. This usage is straightforward and denotes one's location. Interestingly, at home with is often used figuratively. It implies a sense of comfort or familiarity with something. For example, she is at home with complex mathematics. This means she is very comfortable or skilled in dealing with complex mathematics. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. Personal skills. He is at home with public speaking. 2. Work environment. Our new manager is at home with the latest technology. 3. Cultural adaptation. After living there for a year, she is now at home with the local customs. Be cautious not to confuse at home with simply being at home. The former often implies a skill or comfort level, while the latter refers to a physical location. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, at home with, in English. Remember, it's not just about being in your house, it's about feeling comfortable and skilled in a particular area or subject. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be at home with various English phrases and idioms.